Hey y'all. Sorry.
Clear some room.
Guys, इससे पहले हम लोग वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे अपने फ़ोन्स पे और इसमें we were screaming like idiots. Which all right to do sometimes because we're girls, you know, we're hormonal girls, so we can do shit like that, okay? We have a valid reason to do that. Um, उस वीडियो में, sorry guys, Urdu not so good, English, all right.
Got it.
We chillin', we
उस
chillin'.
वीडियो
उस
में
वीडियो में
हमने कारकर्दगी दिखाई और उस वीडियो में हमने जो किया हम वो आपके सामने पेश करने जा रहे हैं अपनी दो सहेलियों के साथ। मैं दानिया, बने रहिए। 3 2 1 Get the f out of here!
that was a very empowering moment for us women. But
As women, we felt liberated.
speaking of women and womanhood, you guys, we spoke a lot about a lot of things yesterday, but no one introduced themselves. Y'all don't know us. Who are you guys watching out here? हम है
किसी को
कौन?
भी उठा के मुंह उठा के देखने लग जाते हो, कोई स्टैंडर्ड्स नहीं है तुम्हें?
नहीं है कौन नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि औरतों को हमेशा we're just always not we're not talking about ourselves. Who are we? Girl, we need to give the credit to ourselves first. तो आज हम अपने आप को क्रेडिट देते हैं सबसे पहले। लाइक चको अपने कौन है आप बताएं क्या क्या आपकी जिंदगी अचीव किया है और जो आप यहाँ बनी है और जो आप इतना कुछ किया है। Tell it.
God, get the idea. Yeah, I'm a multidisciplinary artist. I do a lot of different things. I am a special effects makeup artist. I work for film and makeup, and we do editorials. And I also act sometimes.
Crazy.
And I sing.
Woo! Let's
you
do it.
sing?
Let's do a little.
Can you sing?
Let's do a little.
What's
Good.
next, girls? We
I
should
think
do-
out of everyone, the only thing we three have in common is that we're all artists.
Yeah.
So we're all good, great, yummy, fatty,
Thari artist. We're Thari and Barry.
Next episode, we're gonna be a girl group. Like, you know, like a K-pop art type.
Oh
vibe,
yeah, we can
Yeah,
all
we have the
like,
harmonies
we
for it.
all,
yeah.
and we all do different things. We can all like bring those
Yeah, our blend
together
to
and,
it.
oh my god,
Yeah.
girl, that tells me, a birdie tells me we need to know what you do.
Girl. So you guys, by profession, I would like to call it. I really don't like to call it though. This is what I do at the side. I'm a DJ. I'm proud of it. I'm also a fresh graduate. Anybody guys want to hire me? CV मैं भेज दूंगी. मुझे hire कर दे
my
please.
girl, आके
Jobless girl right here.
हम पोस्ट के नीचे लिंक डालेंगे सबके
Yeah, yeah.
Hi girls.
But like, yeah, I've been DJing for a while, you guys. Proud of it. I
Amazing.
think, yeah, I've actually started doing it since I was 17, and when I got like legalized, when I got my CNIC, I was like 18, and that was when I did my first show, and I was like,
Oh, girl.
and it's just been a great ride from there. I think all uphill, all uphill. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. But what do
been
you
your...
do?
Sorry, I'm sorry.
No.
No.
What's been your favorite show that you've done so far?
I think okay. It's called. It was a Keep Hush show. That was my.
What's Keep Hush?
So it's a platform. It's a platform for artists, for DJs. बहुत सारी other चीज़ें वगैरह भी है. It was huge. I think for me because it was my first, the first time I recorded, had an audio visual recording.
Nice.
उससे पहले and it was like a बाहर के मुल्क का ब्रांड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन तो फिर मेरी तो फट रही थी ब्रो आई वाज लाइक चल क्या रहा है चल क्या रहा है
जब पहला वो बड़े वाला काम आता है ना सही
जो बात है आई वाज फ्रीकिंग आउट बट everyone there the crew It was so great. All the support, even now, all the support I get from these guys, everyone around me, the love and the warmth that I get. I'm so grateful for these people who are in my life and the people who I work with, them actually being good people, kind people. So yeah.
So do you think because I think DJing in Pakistan is something that is like very like male dominated. Is that
Yeah,
how it is?
definitely.
Because or what is your experience? I want to know. Okay.
So it definitely is male dominated.
Yes.
Definitely is male dominated. I also think that there's a lacking of a lot of women maybe having resources here or maybe trying to get into the scene because I mean there are ups and there are downs. Unfortunately, the downs are more, I think. But putting yourself out there, of course, again, not an easy thing. You guys who do have the courage, who are putting your music out there, your art out there, I think that's such a great thing to do for yourselves, for your own growth. Me personally, as an artist, unfortunately, I still don't have any music out there. I have maybe like 2 links up there, and I've been doing it for like more than 4 years now.
Oh.
Yeah.
And why is that? Why do you have only like?
I think again, a lot of things, guys being vulnerable right now. I think I'm also very anxious about my music being out there for people to listen to, or I think playing live for like the people and playing live for people who really enjoy it and who are there supporting the scene and supporting me as a person, as a DJ. I think that is so much more important to me. But also, I just, for some reason, I feel like when I'm recording, I fuck up. So like, again, putting yourself out there, you need a lot of courage.
Or maybe it's just that कि मुझे ऐसा भी लगता है कि हमें क्योंकि इतना बताया जाता है बचपन से कि you should not do this and you're not good enough and you have to be this to achieve this. तो हम अपने आप को पूरी ज़िंदगी ही क्वेश्चन करते रहते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा क्योंकि हमें बताया जाता है कि आप तो नहीं कर सकते, you're not worthy of achieving something in life. So when you do, it's the imposter syndrome as well. I feel like कि आप नहीं भी होते बुरे, लेकिन आप खुद को ये बता रहे होते हैं कि एक मयार है, एक ज़ाब्ता है जो कि इस माशरे ने सेट कर दिया है कि एक औरत को कुछ अचीव करने के लिए इतना ज़्यादा ही अचीव करना पड़ेगा for her to feel worthy. But
I hate that. I completely hate that. I
but yeah.
definitely know where you're coming from, but I'm just lazy, I think.
I think as an
That's
artist
also
एक
nice.
laziness भी होती है,
Yeah.
पर दूसरी वो भी है कि आप जो हो अपने आर्ट को बहुत ज्यादा जज कर रहे हो तो
No.
और
I
बहुत
guess.
हार्शली जज कर रहे हो.
Yeah.
आई एम एटलीस्ट गिल्टी ऑफ दिस
Okay.
Yeah.
कि या फिर आपने जो है ना अपलोड करने में देर लगा दी है, फिर अब आप उसको लेके रखे रहोगे बिकॉज नाउ यू आर लुकिंग एट फ्रॉम अ लेंस ऑफ लाइक
Right.
it's old work.
Yeah.
For other people, it's still new work. They haven't seen it. But for
Yeah.
you, you're like, no, my skill has gotten better, or flani cheese, or flani cheese, or flani cheese. And you get like trapped in all of these little things. इस वजह से I am really jealous of Dania. Dania is so good at this.
Oh my god,
Just
please,
making the
girl,
content. How do you just
insane.
upload?
Literally,
I
was thinking about this
cannot
yesterday.
upload. How
I was
press
thinking about
upload?
this yesterday. I was
इसी
genuinely
बात पे
thinking
दानिया
about
आप
this
क्या
yesterday.
करती हैं बताएं ना जरा.
Seriously.
यार देखिए मैं इस वजह से अपलोड पे लाइक वो प्रेस कर देती हूँ क्योंकि दैट्स लिटरली माय प्रोफेशन. आई एम अ स्टोरी टेलर, आई एम अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर एंड आई नीड टू डू दैट टू आल्सो लाइक रन माय किचन. मतलब वो मेरा प्रोफेशन है तो अब तो मुझे करना ही पड़ेगा. तो मैंने आई थिंक अपनी ज़िंदगी में आई हैव ऑलवेज पुट माई सेल्फ थ्रू दी सिचुएशन जो मैं जितनी भी अनकम्फर्टेबल हो सकती हूँ तो हो जाऊँ और वो चीज़ कर लूँ. Or content creation is also one of those things. I was not comfortable with my body and how I looked, and to put myself out there was not easy for me because मैंने एक ऐसी ज़िंदगी गुजारी है जो कि मैंने बस सायों में गुजार दी है और very dark childhood, was not seen, did not like the feeling of being seen and heard because I did not know what it is. तो बस मैंने उसको फाइट करने के लिए ही कंटेंट बनाना स्टार्ट किया था. Actually I was like what, gonna do silly things, the most silly things that I can do on the internet. And I literally started from making TikToks and I was a part of a reality show.
Yeah, oh, we
The,
know.
the most silly thing that you could do on the internet. और जब आप वो कर लो ना उसके बाद you're like what, might as well do this and might as well do that.
Yeah.
और वो बस उसके बाद वो shape होती रही चीज़ and now I do storytelling and people love that very much. It's not silly anymore but वो भी मेरी choice है और वो जो थी वो भी मेरी ही choice थी. So this is who I am. And I am also, I do a lot of things. I think I also don't want to put myself in a box. That's why I started creating content. क्योंकि ये एडवाइस मैं वैसे भी अपनी सारी गर्लीज और बॉयज़ को भी दूंगी कि you know, if at this era, yes, we can fight that content and art is not the same, and you're an artist, your content creator is not an artist.
नहीं,
Yes,
ये
we can have that
बकवास होती है,
fight.
हाँ.
But जब हम यहाँ रह रहे हैं तो और फिर like doing the hard work, it's not the way. You should always do the smart work. और आप मैं भी I rap, I'm a hip hop activist, I speak, I want to speak for women empowerment, and I do. Thank you. I do a lot of things. I do storytelling, I write, मैं शायरी करती हूँ, सारी चीज़ें. तो उन सबको मिला के मुझे लगता है content empowers me. मैं जो भी करती हूँ एक कहानी बनाती हूँ, डाल देती हूँ. It's just, that's the most beautiful part of my life. I feel like content empowers me content empowers me so much. I travel, I write, I rap, I dance, I do whatever. I can just make a video, write a story, upload it.
If you could give yourself one word, what would it be? If you could describe yourself using one word.
Girl, I don't think I can. That's just such a tough question. दरिया.
Lovely.
दरिया हूँ मैं, बहती जाऊंगी, उड़ती जाऊंगी, हवा हूँ मैं. यही हूँ, बस मैं थोड़ी सी मिस्टिक सी थोड़ी. Girl, उड़ूंगी
that.
और बहूंगी और बह जाऊंगी,
Oh,
पर
I
आपके
love
हाथ
that.
नहीं आऊंगी. Those are the
Girl.
vibes.
Formalities
Yeah.
and leave.
Yes, sir.
Basically.
But like Fazra, तुम बहुत आज मुझे लो लग रही हैं.
यार वो मैं लो, thank you for noticing.
What's
Oh,
I
up?
no.
complained so much, I've already made you guys notice.
But what's up? Tell us.
यार वही जो हर किसी के साथ होता है हर महीने एक
Oh no, period mata.
चंदा मामा, लाल चंदा मामा आए हुए हैं.
Blood moon.
Blood moon, yes.
Oh, what
Yes.
else? Oh my
Twilight
God.
eclipse सब कुछ
Bloody
हो चुका है.
Mary. Bloody
Bloody
Mary.
Mary is here.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Mm.
Girl. We're sinking. We're
Oh,
sinking.
girl.
Only good thing about it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my God, the
I
pain,
think-
the pain. Guys, let's talk about bro, I cannot function normally. I cannot function normally. And you guys expect me to go to work, eat, sleep, rest. मतलब सही है ठीक है मैं यही कर लूँ ना like I don't want to do anything else other than eat, sleep and rest like genuinely.
You're also
You
supposed
expect
to
me
work out, by the way. You're
You-
supposed to be freaking doing that.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
expect us to do so
It's
much.
bullshit.
We need to rest. Give
It's
us a day
bullshit.
off.
Yeah.
Give us a day off. Like
Period leave should be a thing.
Yeah,
Yes,
period leave should be a thing.
thing.
At least शुरू के 2 दिन तो मुझे I really need to stay घर पे.
Yeah.
Because बताएं भाई मुझे लगता है कि हम जितना भी एजुकेट करते हैं उतनी स्पेस होती है एजुकेशन की. Let's talk what happens with our bodies when we go through periods and cycles of women's
guys,
bodies.
you know, it's not even blood coming out of ours. It's literally
like
it's there's
There's
uterus
uterus
lining, uterus की lining
breaking and coming out.
of us. It's
Yes,
like
there are chunks.
yes, there are
Yes,
chunks.
It's disgusting.
And it's hurtful
And
as
yes, you, okay? Because we're fucked.
इनकी हालत देखें थोड़ा सा.
Guys, I've had a painkiller, so
Mm.
you're better.
I'm like kind of better, but I'm also like kind of out of it because of the pain.
Painkiller,
But
yeah.
it's fine.
This is normal. We need to normalize
कि ठीक है
this.
like अगर नहीं है आपके अंदर एनर्जी तो
तो ठीक है, it's fine.
Guys,
you also need to
literally
normalize.
professional life में I had to start getting like painkiller वाले injections नहीं होते because
Oh, no.
I get such bad
Stop.
I get
Oh,
such
shit.
bad cramps कि मैं फिर सुबह set पे जाने से पहले I'd go to the hospital and they're like calling me and they're like, oh, where are you? It's late हो गया and I'm like telling the
I'm so
production
sorry.
people like I don't care if you get uncomfortable, I'm on my period, okay?
Mhm.
Like I need to go to the hospital first.
और हम ये करते हैं as women we don't say it out loud in front of people because taboo है stigma है हमारी society में
हाँ.
हम इस चीज़ के बारे में बात नहीं कर सकते आपको कुछ हो रहा है आप चुप करके आप रहें you don't have to like you know what I mean
I think even अगर हमने किस हद तक स्टार्ट भी कर लिया, हमारी जनरेशन है, इस जनरेशन की औरतों ने अपने भाइयों अपने दोस्तों के बीच में बोला, लेकिन फिर भी जो इस तरह की प्रोफेशनल स्पेसेस होती हैं, हम लोग भी सोचते हैं, लाइक हम जितने भी वोक होते हैं, हम लोग उसको जरूर थॉट देते हैं कि क्या हम ये बात बोलें कि वी आर ऑन पीरियड्स एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी रिएक्टिंग दिस वे और नॉट।
मैं
अपना
तो बोलती
स्टीरियोटाइप भी
हूँ,
तो इतना हो जाता है ना।
मैं बहन बोल देती हूँ,
हाँ
मैं ना सिर्फ
हाँ।
अभी तक पीरियड्स के खुल के बाद घर पे नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि
Yes.
अम्मा नहीं करने देती। ठीक है, हालांकि इट्स नॉर्मल, इट शुडंट बी एन इशू, ये वो, यू हैव टू अदर डॉटर्स एट द हाउस, देयर इज यू, देयर इज लाइक अ यंगर ब्रदर, he should know
He
also.
should know.
He should
So
know.
I
We
am
need
like,
to-
I can say it in my workspace, I can say it with my friends, I cannot say it at home in front of like an elder kid.
And that's where we need to start educating our little brothers, our little
yeah,
sisters
yeah.
at home. We need to give out that, we need to be a platform. We need to be a platform ताकि everyone knows what's going on with your body. If you're angry, if you're sad, if you're crying, right, a day before your period, you know कि भाई आ रही है वो.
हाँ, आपको
She's
पता होना
coming.
चाहिए, एंड द साइकिल्स वर नॉट अवेयर कि लाइक क्या हमारी बॉडी के साथ कब हो रहा है, और एक औरत का जिस्म बहुत अलग तरीके से काम करता है,
Yes.
और हमारी सोसाइटी इस तरीके से इट हैज बीन बिल्ड के जो एक मर्द के जिस्म के साथ होता है वो तो हम पता ही होता है, औरत के जिस्म के साथ जो है वो हमें नहीं पता, तो वी नीड टू एजुकेट आवरसेल्व्स एंड आवर यंगर वंस अबाउट आवर बॉडीज। इज देयर एनी एडवाइस दैट you would like to share to the younger girls and women or even guys,
Just tell people you're on your damn period and like be over it. And like you have
Oh.
enough shit to worry about when you're on your period.
Period, yeah.
To give a shit
Yeah.
how it's making someone else uncomfortable. और ऐसा नहीं है कि लोग uncomfortable नहीं होते, लोग होते हैं.
हाँ.
But you have to go through that uncomfortableness yourself as well. कि मैंने कह दिया, and you have to wait for the other person to go through that uncomfortableness as well.
Yeah.
कि
But
हाँ मैंने सुन लिया.
हाँ.
तो उसके बगैर जो है ना, this is not going to get done with.
Or I
कभी-कभी you
think-
have to deal with some uncomfortable things in life to just make it okay for everyone.
Yeah, 100%.
I think normalize भी ऐसे ही होगा, बात
Yeah.
करते हुए the emotional changes, the physical changes. I genuinely feel like my whole lower body is detaching, constantly
Yeah.
detaching
Yeah,
from my body.
अंदर से
मतलब
छुरियाँ
सोच-
मार रहा है कोई।
हाँ, stabbing pain.
stabbing. I think ये definitely normalize तो इसी तरीके से होगा, और also बस हमें और भी we should just talk about how much pain and we are, because I think वो stereotype भी इतना हो जाता है कि ऐसा आप लोग के साथ हुआ ही नहीं कि अगर when you start talking about it with your friends, maybe with your male friends, and you start telling them that I'm on my periods and don't fuck with me and this and that, तो जिस दिन आपका एक्चुअली में मूड खराब भी हो सकता है periods को गए, they're
तो वो
like,
assume करते हैं यार.
are you on your periods? And that just
Pisses me
like,
off.
who the
मैं तो बुढ़ी
fuck
जो
are you?
I'm like no.
Who the f- are you?
You should just be like,
Out
you should just be like,
Genuinely.
no, are you?
Yeah, that's what I know.
Just
I'm like,
fucking ask them.
I'm like, no. I'm like, no.
Have you guys ever went to this कि मतलब आपके साथ औरतें भी, बड़ी औरतें स्पेशली आपके साथ कर रही होती है ये कि मतलब if you say that you're on your period तो वो भी आपको आंखें दिखा रही होती है, और like, and I'm not talking about खानदान वाली औरतें, random
हाँ,
आंटियाँ
random.
कि ऐसी बात करती है
Oh
वो,
my
और
God,
अस्तगफुरुल्लाह।
बेशरम,
मतलब वो
बेशरम.
कि आंटी, और अगर आपको दर्द हो रही है तो वो वही आगे से बोलेंगे कि oh you're imagining it, इतना तो नहीं होता, इतना तो ये नहीं होता. भाई हर किसी के पीरियड्स डिफरेंट होते हैं, हर
ये
किसी
भी
को
एक
सेम
बात.
अमाउंट ऑफ पेन नहीं होता. और मतलब आपको कभी तो हुआ होगा ना, आपको भी बहुत गंदे क्रैम्प्स. मतलब हाउ कैन यू बी सो इनसेंसिटिव टू अदर वुमेन. वो एक बना लेती हैं लाइक बस
You know,
आसपास
नहीं,
लड़कों
नहीं,
के
हाँ,
साथ भी
ऐसे ही
नंबर
है.
बनाने के लिए.
I think the one
Pick me
thing.
vibes तो फिर आंटियों में सबसे ज्यादा ही आपको मिलती है ना
प्रोफेशनल वाइब्स में सबसे
"Oh, कि
ज्यादा.
girl, नहीं बेटा दर्द है तो क्या हुआ, उनको भी तो इतने दर्द है अपने, बताते हैं वो कभी मर्द आके कि उनको पूरा दिन कमाना पड़ता है, तो फिर आप उनको ये बताओगी ये चीज. ये बात है. Okay. I think, आप
Tanya, you guys.
Kiara.
I
Advices
think
to younger
advices. Hot water bag. Use a hot water bag. It is this lifesaver.
Lifesaver.
Lifesaver. Hot water bag.
गाइस अब तो वो भी आ गया है दैट थिंग,
क्या चीज?
इलेक्ट्रिक हीटिंग
Heating
pad.
pad.
yeah,
heating
yeah.
pad.
But get like a good company वाला. Don't go for like कोई भी random whatever. Because I had to get it twice.
Good company का heating pad is also your advice.
वो बैटरी चल उसकी ज़्यादा
Fruits
चले.
खाओ, like eat a lot of fruits. and
Don't
water.
eat like junk, but like load up on that chocolate because like
Yeah.
you just
Dark
eat it. If you
chocolate.
and don't feel guilty for eating it, man. You're losing so much. You're
Eat
weak.
dark
Just feel what
chocolate.
makes you eat. What makes you feel good. Eat what makes you feel good.
Yeah, there's some naughty shit happening here, Kiara. Yeah, that too. That's also my advice. Eat what makes you feel good. Please don't settle for less. And yeah, that's also my advice to younger girls. If we, we're talking about periods, I think we should also talk about sexuality and when you get into relationships at a young age and new love and all of those butterflies happening and you're like get in, but can we like take a break and talk about that?
But इतने hormones अगर चल रहे हैं बच्चे के अंदर तो how do you think that would how do we like sort of help them and be like it's fine to feel so much
Yeah.
but also
I think we just need to tell them that it's normal and we also went through it and it's normal to
going through
feel,
it guys going through
Going
it
through it, I know. But
और
yeah,
बच्चों के लिए
we also
निकाह
go
इतना
through
मुश्किल
it.
ना बनाए
हाँ?
ठीक है मैं कह रही हूँ बच्चों के लिए निकाह और शादी करना भी
हाँ,
इतना
इतना
मुश्किल
मुश्किल
ना
ना
बनाए
बनाए।
नहीं जरूरत 500,000 बंदों को
हाँ,
शादी
हाँ।
कराने की अगर आपको इतना डर लग रहा है कि आपके बच्चे सेक्स कर रहे हैं तो उनकी करा दे शादी चुप कर
और उनकी मर्जी से मतलब
मतलब वही उनकी मर्जी से ही कि मैं बात कर रही हूँ कि मतलब आप लोग इतने हर्डल्स बना देते हो ना बिटवीन टू पीपल बीइंग टुगेदर एज वेल
Yeah.
कि अब फलाना कमाता कितना है या अगली प्यारी कितनी है अगर दो लोगों को नहीं फर्क पड़ रहा तो जस्ट लेट देम डू इट सो दैट यू आर नॉट वरीड अबाउट जिना एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स एज वेल आप साइमल्टेनियसली दोनों चीज़ें तो नहीं चला सकते कि हमारे बच्चे भी जो है ना बूढ़े बूढ़े भी हों कमाएं भी सब कुछ भी करें बट सेक्स के लिए ना हम लोग 500 बंदा बुलाए बगैर इनको नहीं
अबे
हमने
यार।
करने देना सॉरी
हाँ,
पैसे
मतलब-
लगाओ कर्जा निकालो भाई
यार वैसे क्या फीलिंग है आप लाइक शादी करो उस दिन है उस दिन उसके बाद अगले दिन लाइक देयर इज
मैं तो नहीं
500
imagine कर
people on your
सकती।
वलीमा and you're like
मैं तो
यार
ये
walk of
I've been a
taking the walk
nasty
of shame
girl,
in front of
nasty
500 people is what
Stop.
deception is guys.
nasty girl
I've been a nasty girl.
nasty
I've been a nasty somebody gonna match my freak
Somebody gonna match my nasty. Okay guys
बहुत बहुत मजे कर लिया
Composure.
बहुत मजे कर लिया
एडवाइसेस हैं देने के
बहुत
लिए
मजे हो गए आई थिंक one thing I would definitely pass down to my other generations, hopefully, if that happens. I don't know, guys. Love life is not working out.
It's not looking
but but like, एक चीज, what I think I would do definitely is educate my younger ones, educate my younger sisters, educate my younger brothers on what periods are. कि भाई it's fine if she's crying, it's fine if she's screaming, थोड़ा सा go comfort her, get her a bar of chocolate, get her some water, get her some fresh juice, feed her some fresh fruit
let's go
as Miss Dania suggested.
yeah
what do you
please
guys-
keep your fruits with you like please take this advice from me please.
Oh guys, multivitamins ले लेना please,
हाँ.
multivitamins ले लेना, you're gonna like it's gonna be great for your body.
अपनी स्किन का
genuinely.
देखो लाइक फिगर आउट करो क्या सीन है स्किन का कौन सा कलर है राइट शेड लो
Please,
बेस एक लिप ग्लॉस अच्छी सी invest
Moisturize,
in good makeup
guys, please
Moisturize,
sunscreen pehno,
please,
sunscreen
sunscreen.
pehno.
said 3 bitches
Sunscreen.
who all have low iron
true but you know at least you should not be
yeah don't be like us
Don't be like us.
take this as an
Yeah.
example we're fatherless
Yeah.
girls
oh my god yeah low-key
call back
call out girl हाँ और आई थिंक और एक और चीज ये भी है कि अगर आपके बाल बहुत ज्यादा फ्रिजी होते हैं तो इसका मतलब है कि स्ट्रेट नहीं है आपके बाल प्लीज
या
स्टॉप
आपके बाल
फाइंडिंग
कर
देम
लिए आपके बाल वेवी
Wavy हैं,
ज्यादती
figure out.
ना करें अपने साथ
और सल्फेट फ्री शैम्पू
थोड़े
यूज
से
करें
पैसे और लगा लें कुछ
हाँ.
नहीं होता
सल्फेट फ्री शैम्पू यूज करें अगर आपके बाल स्ट्रेट नहीं है ठीक है और उसके अलावा या अपना फ्रूट्स का इंटेक और ये सब चीज़ें ठीक रखें पीएच बैलेंस आपका नॉर्मल रहे आपकी बॉडी में
Also, guys, this feminine hygiene wash thing isn't like real. So
Oh,
like,
yeah.
नहीं,
so like,
don't-
please, वो
don't do
perfumed
that.
होती हैं और
Don't
it's
आपका
just like,
pH
oh,
level
use
कर देती है
yes,
हाँ.
it's a
yes.
very delicate area
Just like use an
don't use
unscented soap
stupid
or
shit.
something.
yeah and
don't
also
do
go
fucking Lux bar everywhere
हाँ,
okay?
don't, please don't put
Chill,
it there,
guys.
girlies.
Like-
Your coochie will not be
your
well.
coochie is self-cleaning thank you
Yes.
science thank you Allah Mia whoever you believe in created you your parents What? It's facts. It's biology, guys.
I think ये हमने जितनी भी बातें की है ना, ये सारी बातें हमारी जो हमसे जो पहली जनरेशन है ना, वो कैमरा पे आके नहीं करती, तो हमने आपके लिए कर दी है. तो which reminds me, I want to talk about the loneliness of being the first woman to break all of those generational curses. Because ये वाली जो लड़कियां ये probably हमें देखेंगी ये करते हुए, you know. But how did we do it? And you know, क्या सीन है girls?
I think girls.
क्या सीन है?
girls. सीन ये है कि भाई देखो लोनली तो फील होना है वैसे तो जेन्युइन सी बात है सीधी सी बात है
Period to that. Cut the episode.
अकेले आएंगे, अकेले
अकेले
जाएंगे.
जाएंगे.
but also I feel like it's a shit feeling it's a genuinely I fucking hate it I hate it so much I'm the only woman in my family doing therapy I'm the only woman in my family doing therapy tell me who's breaking the generational curses tell me
Like the out of here.
आपको I think time हो गया अब आपका guys
That's what you said to generational curses. You said get the fuck
out
out
of
of
here
here.
yeah
It's going to be a thing forever now.
yep
Yeah.
yep
Get the fuck out of here.
Sorry, guys, give me a
obsession
second. Ow.
ठीक है.
Obsession.
Obsession. और अब
what do you think guys थोड़ा सा ना what's
We
wrong
never
you okay
listen.
Sorry, मेरी टांग सो गई.
glitch is real. Girls glitch
Glitch
is
is very real. मेरी टांग सो गई थी. Sorry, I was
real.
glitching.
That is also a glitch.
Yeah, it was.
आपकी टांगे भी सो जाती हैं भैया आप लाइक इजी हो जाए कोई मसला नहीं हमारी थोड़ी थोड़ी है लाइक इजी सीन है लाइफ लेकिन आप
दानिया-
वीडियो में ले लेंगे आपकी टांगे सोएंगी आप फोटो में लेनी चाहिए लेकिन टांगे ना सोए also move your body go out
oh yeah gym
have
the gym
walk.
is great
Gym is great
So yeah,
move, dance.
generational curses, guys. Dania, take it away.
Neurodivergent we're not
Gotta
but
fix
like maybe we are what do you think you would break as a woman breaking generational cycles
what I would break
yeah
men's faces is I was like oh but I also break in like I'm a big girl that stands for break girl
Yeah.
like in hip hop
okay
So I'm just breaking everything, girl. I'm breaking moves. I'm breaking generational curses.
I'm breaking
the
down.
faces of men, girl. Shut the fuck up.
guys I think we're having too much fun with the
Yeah.
So loneliness बहुत ज़्यादा है I think generational curses तोड़ने की क्योंकि आपके इर्द गिर्द आपको कोई ऐसी औरत नहीं दिखती है जो कि आप जैसा सोचती हो स्पेशली आपके खानदान में लेकिन इट्स ऑल्सो जस्ट द फीलिंग ऑफ इट इज ऑल्सो रियली ब्यूटिफुल कि यू आर द फर्स्ट वन टू डू इट एंड आपके बाद यू आर जस्ट मेकिंग थिंग्स ईजियर और औरतों के लिए आपके बाद जो औरतें आने वाली हैं जो लड़कियां आने वाली हैं आप उनकी ज़िंदगी आसान बना रही हैं वो उड़ सकती हैं वो सांस ले सकती हैं खुल के so yeah it's all lonely but beautiful
I think creating that space for younger women or just trying to help them out like girls if your girly friend out there has lipstick on her teeth tell her
build women up, they're your biggest supporters please
Yeah,
man I got shit. I mean let's like talk हमारे भी बहुत मेल दोस्त हैं जिन्होंने हमारे साथ जिंदगी में मेल दोस्त या फिर you know men that we मेरा भाई जैसे for example our brothers our friends
I love my brother no cap I love my brother I love my brother no cap
they've been our biggest support and then there
Yeah.
are men you
Yeah.
will find who will be your biggest support and you can trust जिन पे जो कि आपको actually में as an individual देखते हो और आपके ऊपर कोई gender का mask नहीं put करते हो तो वो good है लेकिन girls जो है ना आपकी वो हमेशा आपकी girls रहेंगी so gotta stay in touch with the girls okay
okay
Salma, what were you saying okay हमारी एक दोस्त आज periods पे है just that's the only reason
आपकी
that-
दो दोस्तें हैं
oh my god
girl cancelling Dania
Yeah, it looks different, okay, guys.
I'm so sorry guys yes it looks different
Yeah.
you can see it
Yes,
looks different and
actually.
it's fine because we all go through it differently I'm actually also on my periods
Did you
That
guys
was-
decide that? ऐसी
woman, I
औरतें भी
can
होती
say
है.
that. I'm on my period, guys. Shut the fuck up.
Pick up my bags, please. I'm
Yeah,
on my
come
period.
on.
But pick up her bags nonetheless. Period ho,
Nonetheless.
period na ho,
Pick
mard.
up.
Open the door for her. That act of kindness can get you all.
Way far.
Mhm.
Please do it. Open the door, pick her bag, tell her, did you cut your hair? Even if she didn't.
You will be in trouble. Do not do
You will be
that.
in trouble. Yeah, I just
Do
wanna-
not do that. They're fucking with you now.
Don't tell them. Don't tell them. बताए ना लोनलीनेस क्या है आपकी
मेरी
तन्हाई
loneliness. मेरी तन्हाई. Oh my god.
आपकी तन्हाई of breaking these generational curses.
यार तन्हाई तो होती है obviously. But like, it feels. There are moments where it feels like it's worth it.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously कुछ ऐसे आपको experiences मिलते हैं जिसमें like you're with your friends or when you're at work and you're like achieving something. But then it's so lonely as well because आप चाहते हो to share those things with your family. With,
Yeah.
like, you want them to be proud of you, but they
Yeah.
just don't understand it at all.
Yeah.
और जब आप पहले आर्टिस्ट होते हो ना फैमिली में तब भी बहुत बैड सी होता है बिकॉज उनको कोई फ्रेम ऑफ रेफरेंस ही नहीं होता ना
Yes.
एज पेरेंट्स भी दे वांट टू हेल्प यू दे वांट टू बी लाइक देयर फॉर यू एंड ब्ला ब्ला बट दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड के
क्या करना है
इस क्या करना क्या है कैसे हेल्प करनी है और आप उनको जिस तरह कह रहे होते हो कि किस तरह हेल्प करनी है वैसे वो करेंगे नहीं आपकी बिकॉज पेरेंट्स वांट टू इम्पोज व्हाटएवर दे थिंक इज राइट whether it is or not. And when it comes to like siblings and stuff, I think my siblings, I have a younger sister. She's doing like badassery all the time.
Badassery,
Yeah.
that's the new word.
Yeah. और मतलब वो भी stand like she's the one who's taught me to like take a stand and whatnot.
Oh,
I used to
wow.
be a really वो वाला बच्चा के I'm really people pleasing and बड़ों का ख्याल करना और बात मान लेना and trying to keep the peace in the house and like being like parental towards my parents and being parental towards my siblings.
Yeah.
And one day she was like, "Bitch, what the f- is wrong with you? Why do you do things for XYZ person and XYZ person and why are you doing this?" And I'm like, "Because they will get angry." And she's like, "So?" I was like, "But they will be
Girl.
angry and they will be upset."
Wow.
And she was like, "So what?
Damn.
You can be angry too." I was like, "I can't."
Wow,
I
that
can.
seems like a great feeling.
That's a your younger sister too, you know.
Yeah, उसका बड़ा वो वाला temperament था कि she was very spoiled. So she was like no from the get go. She doesn't want to do something, so she's like no.
She won't do it.
Yeah, she won't do it. I think अब उसका वो वाला life में वो बन गया कि she has to learn how to say yeah.
Okay, okay,
She's like,
okay.
no.
I'm like I'm trying to teach her like sometimes you have to like you know also take risks in life. and have
Right,
experiences. So उस तरह से होता है lonely, but overall then I just give myself वही वाली बात की और you come alone. You're gonna leave alone. No one is going to be there like after 100 years to remember your legacy. or
Right,
whatever the
right,
fuck.
right,
ठीक है.
right.
And even if they are, let's say you're Michael Jackson, okay. आपकी बहुत legacy बन जाती है 100 years from now people will know that Michael Jackson. चलो 500 साल बाद who will fucking know? No one. So live your life how you want to live. All of these people will die. You will die.
I think guys, I think I sort of have had a revelation right now. You talking about like your younger sister, and where were you when you were her age? How old is she?
She's 5 years younger than me, so she's like 22 now, 23.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, what she was. Can you repeat what you
Like
asked?
how where were you when you were her age?
Dude, I was being very, very parental towards my mom, towards my sister, towards my younger brother. Like हमारे छोटे भाई में और हम में 15 like मुझ में और उसमें 15 साल का gap है. So when I was like 15, 16, तब I was like very busy pleasing people. School, I had stopped trying in school. जिन subjects में I was good. जिनमें नहीं, because I was like, okay, I'm not gonna get their attention anyways. I am going to be the one to give them the attention. So why the fuck does it matter if I have
Yeah.
good grades or not? And I was going into that depressive phase. और उनको नहीं समझ आ रहा होता था कि क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है. And you even like when they would force me to communicate and I would communicate with like my parents, they look like this is not okay and you cannot put all this responsibility on me. I'm
Yeah.
also a kid. They were like, no.
Do you think you'd imagine yourself sitting right here back then?
या ये तो मैंने किया था. ये तो मैं वो थी मैंने भागने जाना जरूर है. वापस आ जाऊंगी but I need to like get away from here.
Yeah.
Because other than that, so like I don't think I would have survived at all. Wonderful thoughts.
Wonderful. We're
Yeah.
going in deep, guys. अब मस्ती
Yeah.
थोड़ी सी रुक गई
रुक
है.
गई है.
अब
मस्ती
सीरियस
थोड़ी
हो
सी
रहा है.
Yeah, बस हो जाती ना आपकी एक पॉइंट के बाद like you take so much shit, you take so much shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
तो like कि भाई मतलब
So did you always imagine to be the woman that you are today?
I don't know. I think I've changed a lot from what I thought I would be. But core udhar hi hai, so it's fine. I also understand if like the child version of me comes here and they're like, oh, you are not this, you're not. I'm like, fuck. Just in the मैं ठीक है. I've done so much cool shit. तुम्हें क्या पता साइड में.
Love that.
This is just a kid at the end of the day. You
Yeah.
also remember how stupid he. कुछ जगहों पे तो माँ बाप बेचारे सही भी होते हैं ना, हमारी सही भी मारते हैं. अब इतने जज्बाती होते हैं at like 14, 15, 16.
Yeah.
When you're going through puberty. It's
Yeah.
fucking
Yeah,
insane.
yeah. Also, I think we also definitely need to, at that age, 14, 15, well, age, we need to actively be making a change by teaching our younger kids and younger siblings what the world is out there, women and manhood, and just like being your authentic self, not like just stealing identities and stuff out here, and teaching them घर पे कि भाई आप इज्जत दें, आप बड़ों को दें, छोटों को दें, औरतों को दें, मर्दों को दें. Every gender, every human being deserves that kindness, deserves that kind of, non-violent behavior
True.
out
I think
here.
we really need to start teaching it in our houses and homes to be non-violent and to be, experiencing the world beyond gender. And even if they through, मतलब हाँ, even if तो हम ही तो change करना है, we have to change that
Yeah.
thought जो भी है, we have to make that active change. And just I wanna like say coming back to like Fazra telling all about her younger version and how you are today. I'm just really proud of you because it's just not easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you're taking up on your life so gracefully. That is survival
no,
is not
man. I am
easy.
not perfect. No one is perfect. And like, no one is perfect, man. Everyone is capable of like doing fucked up things. चाहे हमारे trauma की वजह से हो, चाहे किसी भी वजह से हो. Like एक जो sorry, I'm gonna divert a little bit.
Divert all you want.
Divert.
Like how we as Gen Z and even like now the Gen Alpha and everything, we use like all of this fucking lingo all the time to justify such shit at times. Like such fucking, oh मैं तो depressed थी, मैं तो ये था, मैं तो
भाई साहब.
I am very guilty of doing this. We all do it. Like, and वो एक जगह पे valid भी होता है, but as long as your mental health is not like someone else ना, तो आप कह सकते हो कि ठीक है भाई मेरी mental health ज़रा खराब थी तो मेरे से हो गया और ये वो. But you can't just like use that as an excuse all the
Yeah,
time with
yeah.
everyone.
100%.
Not yourself, and you can't let someone else use that excuse with you either.
Yeah.
Because it's like हर किसी की
Justified
shit है.
नहीं है.
हर
हाँ.
किसी की shit है, आप किसी और को fuck over नहीं कर सकते उस वक्त. But yeah.
So Kiara, आप
Moving
बताएं. Did you imagine yourself to be here, the woman that you are today?
Hell no, girl. I thought I'd be dead.
Girl.
I didn't think I'd be existing.
Girl.
Seriously, I have a really close friend. She's turning, let's say she's turning XYZ. And she tells me the other day, she goes, Kiara, I'm turning XYZ. Like, what the hell do I do? And she's having a proper, like, freak out. But not too much of a freak out. It's like a mild, मैं भी confused हो रही हूँ कि क्या मतलब? Didn't you know you'd be turning XYZ? And she's like, bruh, I thought I'd be here till I was 15. That's it.
Oh shit.
And I think coming back to just doing so much in life and being proud of it is so important. Is so important. You have to give yourself the credit you deserve. Because if you don't, that's not gonna work out for you. It's genuinely not gonna work out for you. I'm saying genuinely a lot, guys. मेरे दिमाग में फंसा हुआ है genuinely. There's a friend of mine says genuinely a lot, and I'm thinking about her right now. So, cause I miss her. I miss my girls.
Yeah, friendships are so beautiful. I think, you know, you're the museum of every person that you
Yes,
love
yes,
and every
yes.
person that comes inside you.
कहाँ गंदे लोग
Girl,
We need
आपका
to- we need
mindset
to
भी
bleep.
ठीक नहीं है।
प्लीज
नहीं,
मर्दों
मुझे
को
लग
इतनी
नहीं
बातें
नहीं
कर रही है बैठ के
नहीं ब्रो, मतलब ये तो माइंडसेट है ना मर्दों का जो आपके दिमाग में आया कि इनसाइड, लाइक यू नो, ये माइंडसेट की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे। नॉट द राइट माइंडसेट गर्ल।
और क्या हो गया औरतों के दिमाग में भी गलाजत भरी हो सकती है इट्स ओके
मैं सोच रही थी I'm guilty.
बड़ी किसने बताया आपको कैसे सोच रहे हैं?
But like real बात मैं अगर बोलूँ तो I didn't think I would have I didn't think I'd be on YouTube. I'm on YouTube. I didn't think I'd be on Faces of Magazines. I'm on Faces of Magazines. Girl, like it's insane. I didn't think I'd be sitting here doing a podcast. I didn't think I'd be sitting here being with these beautiful women. Hey guys, our camera died, but we're back in with Tanya giving us some insight on what she truly believes in, and she thinks we need to be doing something about this.
Okay. I think हमारा जब हम लाइक व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट चेंज और जब हम बात करते हैं कि हाउ हाउ व्हाट कैन वी डू, बिकॉज अभी तक हमने सारी बातें की हैं कि क्या मसले हैं हमारी ज़िंदगी में, जो मसले हमें दरपेश आते हैं अपनी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में, अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में। तो आई थिंक उसका कहीं ना कहीं चेंज तो है, और चेंज ये है कि हाउ डू वी एक्टिवली conversate with the men in our life and how do we act around them and what do we educate them about. तो हम तीनों के ही भाई हैं, आई थिंक वी ऑल ऑफ अस लाइक हैव डिफिकल्ट कॉन्वर्जेशंस with our brothers,
Yes.
with the men in our lives. Like मैं तो बहुत like इस तरह की conversations भी होती हैं कि जैसे कि I'm you know अभी आई मूव टू लाहौर, मैं कराची से अभी लाहौर मूव हुई हूँ, तो वो मूव भी इतना आसान नहीं है। और इसके बाद बीइंग अराउंड ऑल लाइक न्यू पीपल एंड ऑल द न्यू मैन स्पेशली एंड टू, तो यहाँ जितने आदमी जो मेरे दोस्त हैं और यू नो द मैन दैट आई एम यूजुअली सराउंडेड विद इन माय प्रोफेशनल प्लेस एज वेल, दे नो अब कि मैं कितनी ज़्यादा हूँ और मैं क्या हूँ, और दे जस्ट नो आई डोंट हैव टू टोन माई सेल्फ डाउन बिकॉज दे जस्ट नो के हु आई एम, आई डोंट हैव टू बी अनदर वर्जन ऑफ माई सेल्फ. But वैसे when you know counter men, you have to be a certain version because you don't want them to think कि वो ये तो नहीं हो रहा, या फिर you know this and that. So I think उधर मेरे लिए ये conversations करना, you know, the guys have been listening. ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि वो they've been receptive, they've been listening. I've been having a lot of conversations, you know, about how like we are treated differently, and maybe you know you guys seeing me taking the lead or me doing something makes you feel some way, but it's really not a big thing. और हो सकता है कि आप ये feel करें, it's not unfair, like ठीक है you feel this way because this is the narrative that has been passed down to you,
Yes,
to
yes.
not see a woman in charge or even a woman in a space where you haven't seen a woman.
Yep.
तो it's all right. तो हमारे लिए भी मुझे लगता है to give them the space to also learn, और हम उनको educate कर पाएँ उस चीज़ के बारे में, अपने भाइयों को या अपने दोस्तों को
And
कि
also creating spaces like that in our own homes. Like we need to start in our own
in our own
homes.
homes.
We need to start in schools. We need to start
Cousins,
sort of getting
brothers,
getting the
yeah.
narrative right out there.
Yeah, definitely. And men can be allies. Like we don't hate men. Like इस पूरी
Yeah.
podcast के बाद don't take it like as like we hate men. We don't. We really want you to see कि हमारी ज़िंदगी में क्या मसले होते हैं and what you can do actively to
Yeah. Make an
like
active
maybe
effort.
yeah, effort, just you know by the words you choose to um say when you talk about girls, when you talk about us, and how you know when you behave around girls, and what is misogyny and what is gender hate and what is gender bias, to realize that and to be aware of that, because it's fine, we do understand कि आप एक narrative के through चल रहे हैं जो which has been passed down to you for centuries, so it's fine, but do see, do make a change.
और ये नहीं कि
realize.
हाँ ये नहीं कि भाई you're in a bad mood because you're on your period.
हाँ,
Don't.
Yeah,
Don't
because I
stereotype,
am. And
don't.
I'll kill you.
हाँ बिल्कुल ऐसे ही है, ऐसे ही करेंगे हम. And realize कि like ठीक है, you know, there are differences and let's embrace those differences and let's not fight with each other, let's be each other's allies.
Friends, yeah.
Friends. And friends. Friends. की भी जब बात आती है तो मुझे लगता है कि like we need to realize our boundaries and it's okay.
Thank you. It's okay to just be friends.
To have like platonic relations and आपको एक लड़की जिंदगी में मिल रही है जो कि is actually like, you know, is a valuable friendship. Why do you always see her through a lens where you want to get something out of her? Don't.
Yeah,
The
it's like
narrative.
so heartbreaking for us and so desperate and sad for you. Like second-hand embarrassment for you, bro. Like, why are you wasting my time? Why are you wasting your time?
Mm.
Honestly. So I think, yeah, as girls also, we need to conversate with men in our life. And
Yep.
conversations about periods, conversations about what we go through every day. Conversations. Batana ki this is how I feel. ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई I'm not a man hater. I don't want to hate you. But these are the things that I go through daily. Maybe they don't know your experiences. ठीक है वो हैं, like they can't feel the feelings. It's fine. Tell them, maybe, you know, make it easier for yourself and make a change. And to the men, please listen. Like,
Yeah.
that's only literally your only like thing that you can do. Like,
Yeah,
please don't.
shut the
ये
fuck
प्रोसेस इतनी
up.
फनी भी होती है ना. आप अपने किसी आसपास के मर्दों से कोशिश करते हो कि उनमें थोड़ी सी लाइक इमोशंस जागे, कुछ वो फील करें, वो भी इंसान होने का
my
फुल
God.
एक्सपीरियंस लें.
Yeah.
तो आप उनसे कितने डम क्वेश्चंस पूछते हो कि क्या तुम सोचते हो कि तुम्हारे आसपास जो लोग हैं उनकी लाइफ तुमसे डिफरेंट है, और आपको इतना डम लग रहा होता है कि ऐसा लगता है कि आई आर टॉकिंग टू लाइक अ 5-year-old and asking like basic emotional questions. Please boys, go to therapy.
यार ब्रो, ये तो आप बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी बात कर रही है. मुझे लग रहा है आप किसी आदमी से भी पूछ रहे हैं कि how was your day, how do you feel.
नहीं, एज अ गर्ल आपको वो ध्यान भी रखना पड़ता है ना कि वो इनको उनको हल्का सा फील हो ना कि आप इनको क्वेश्चन कर रहे हो या इमैस्कुलेट कर रहे हो.
Yeah.
तो इनको होता है कि
Ego
अब
is
तो
like
मैं नहीं मान
up
सकता.
here.
So you have to like fucking do that woman beguiling shit and like manipulate their ass a little bit by talking.
You feel
Yeah.
that secret, girl. We talk about that shit.
They fucking know. Please यार, कोई इतनी मिस्ट्री नहीं है और ना बने मिस्ट्री. ठीक है ना, इट्स ओके. हमें पता है मर्दों की कुछ स्ट्रेंथ्स है, कुछ औरतों की स्ट्रेंथ्स है. We are good at like
Manipulating.
figuring out how to get someone to be emotional.
Manipulating.
Yeah, and in other words, manipulating.
Yeah, do you think we take advantage of that? I don't.
लेती हैं औरतें advantage, क्यों नहीं लेती?
लेनी
वो
नहीं
कितनी
चाहिए यार,
चीज़-
नहीं
कितनी
लेनी
चीज़ें
चाहिए.
लेनी नहीं चाहिए, पर
क्यों नहीं
जिसका
लेनी
जहाँ
चाहिए
बस
वो?
चलता है.
ब्रो ऑफ है, मतलब आप क्यों अपने एजेंडा के लिए किसी को वो करो कि भाई आई एम गोना फक विद योर माइंड एंड आई लाइक प्लेइंग गेम्स विद यू. क्यों भाई, टाइम नहीं है गेम्स करने के लिए. आप
ये
अपने आप पे
क्या
वर्क
मतलब?
करें यार. You do fucking do something for your
Girl is
own
on that
fucking
boss
growth.
shit.
Girl,
I
like
don't
really
play
थोड़ी
those games.
emotional intelligence
Play
pass
those
out करे भाई यार, please
Play
to
those
like
नहीं,
fucking
but you
educate
can't tell
yourself.
me- but you can't tell me कि एक dude bro का mind fuck करने का कितना मजा आता है. Just fucking with them. You know, when a total dude bro, mega chad bro comes up to you and is like trying to flirt with you or talk to you, and then you fuck with his mind. just
That's
standing
lovely.
there.
That's
You,
that feeling of that
Like,
is
and he's
lovely.
just standing there continuing to like talk and try to act like he's like very intellectual and that he understands what the fuck you're talking
Oh my
about.
God. But in
reality,
maybe
he,
you
like-
give him your number and you fucking won't because you're
Ugh.
with his mind.
But
Nah.
I love that. Honestly, like, yeah,
Yeah.
agree to
It's
disagree,
very
bestie.
entertaining.
हाँ,
I
I've
love
never
fucking
been in
with
that
their minds.
situation, but so I can't relate. But I
It's
really
very
think
entertaining. I'm like, yeah, so what do you think about Trump winning? Huh?
Yeah.
How do you think this will affect Pakistan? What do you think the economy is going to look like in 6 months?
Yeah, it's just.
बहुत मजा
I'm
आता
gonna
है.
use that actually.
Huh?
I'm gonna use
yeah.
that.
But I
बहुत
so
मजा
just talk
आता
about
है.
such basic shit. I just ask them.
They love
like, you
telling
know,
you shit. Men
they-
love fucking
yeah.
mansplaining shit to
Just
you.
ask them. Just
Mansplaining.
ask them, bro. Just do that, and
So
then
it's
they
so
will
fun
go
to make them
just be
heated
like,
over,
you
like,
know,
you know,
Champions
oh,
Trophy
you.
is here. What do you think about it? And you go and you see them
Yeah,
going
ask them when
on
GTA
and
6
on.
is coming. 6 ही आ रही है ना?
हाँ 6
Boys in the room? 6
we
या
got
हाँ,
yeah.
6. ये देखो. Cute बेचारे.
Cuties.
बस इतना ही होता है इनका.
यार
बड़ा मजा आता है.
mansplaining से मुझे याद आया कि what would you say कि like this is the thing. I think this is not talked enough. Mansplaining is such a big thing. Men don't realize it how many times like they tell us what to do and how to do it.
हाँ
Yeah,
ना,
like-
वो
And they
है ना
cannot
कि cute
take-
बच्ची.
किसी ने नहीं पूछा है भाई.
आपसे किसने
Keep
पूछा
like keep it to
who
yourself.
asked you?
Keep it to yourself.
Bro, did not ask you how to open the door. But thank you for telling me that it's push. Thank you. Really needed that.
I sometimes do need that. I won't lie.
You need it. You're a girl.
Girl,
You're a
you
girl.
You can need it.
तो फिर वो बेचारा करे दरवाजा खोले ना खोले.
भाई दरवाजा खोलो भाई.
दरवाजा
Please
खोलो.
दरवाजा
Decide
खोलो.
क्या चाहिए औरतों को.
दरवाजा खोलो पर बताओ नहीं कि दरवाजा कैसे खोलना है.
Yeah.
Mansplaining is telling me what to do. If you're really good at it, do it for me, please.
Please down.
Please open
Yeah,
my
just do the
bag.
whole
Open my
thing.
bag. Pick
Give
my
me my
bag.
salary
Open the
if
door.
you know how to make.
You do it.
The media, social media calendar for the
No
month.
problem.
Just fucking do it.
Do it.
And send me
Please
my
do
salary
it,
by
guys.
the end of the
Please
But
do
month.
don't tell me
Yeah.
how to do it. Okay.
Yeah.
Do not fucking tell me how to do it. If you're good at it, please do it for me. Okay. But like how would you say okay, you know, you as an artist in the industry and then you as a DJ, how do you guys feel okay, as young girls making moves, achieving things? It hurts men so much. How do you
I
feel?
think sorry, do you want to go on? Initially when I was into the whole scene, I think the only thing that was in common and is still now up to this date, well, first of all, you underpay your artists. You want to freeload, you're underpaying them, you're not giving them resources. Bhai, what do you expect me to do? Genuinely, I'm just like, don't try and take advantage of me, especially those younger ones out there. There are people out there taking advantage of you. Please don't do that. Like
Yeah.
go into that direction जहाँ पे आपकी growth हो. क्योंकि if you, and I've been there, I've done that. I have been stuck in a cycle for like I think 3 years of playing the same kind of events over and over and over again and playing the same shitty songs over and over again, and I was so tired and I was so done with it. I was like, bro, I don't even enjoy these songs anymore. And I wasted my time like that. Another, I guess, probably big sister advice would be to sort of look inward instead of outward, because that will really, really, really benefit you guys. Pazra, sorry, you were saying something.
Yeah, I was gonna say that professionally, like when you start working, especially if you start working super young, like 18, 19, 20.
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
And if you're working in the media industry, अब मैं सिर्फ अपनी industry की बात कर सकती हूँ because I don't have that. I have like थोड़ा सा corporate experience, but I'm not a corporate girl.
Mm-hmm.
So super freelance and like doing
Mhm.
everything on your own and learning what a contract is and how
Yeah,
to make it and blah,
yeah.
blah, blah. And क्या कहते हैं चाहे so ये वाली सारी चीज़ें and when you go into these spaces शुरू में तो it's very शुरू में क्या अभी भी ऐसे ही होता है कि they infantilize the fuck out of you. They infantilize the fuck out of you, or they do these really really weird like fucked up things as well कि जहाँ पे they won't communicate with you properly. They will talk down to you. And they will be like you are in this role, so because I do multiple roles, like I do
Okay.
styling पे भी sets पे जाती हूँ, acting के लिए भी जाती हूँ, makeup के लिए भी जाती हूँ, तो वो मैं हर तरफ वो वाले different में भी मेरे experiences साथ साथ हो रहे होते हैं कि like I've also AD'd for my friends and stuff, तो like you see अच्छा इस job में आपकी क्या responsibilities है, क्या role है, इस job में क्या है और इस job में क्या है, sorry, इस job में क्या है, so you like see multiple लोगों के perspective से कि क्या चल रहा होता है और क्या chain of command चल रहा है blah blah, but in every space as a woman it's like very fucked up. और अगर आप गलती से आ गए हो ना किसी क्या कहते हैं लीड पोजीशन में आप आ गए हो, आप डिपार्टमेंट हेड बन गए हो whatever जो भी है, and if you happen to be young and then if you happen to be a girl, और फिर अगर आप थोड़े से बर्गर भी हो, मैं आपको कोई बर्गर मैं दूंगा, ठीक है, like I'm too burger for burger people.
We love and aware,
No,
girly.
for me,
We
too
love and
burger
aware,
for Pendu
girly.
people, too Pendu for burger people, okay?
हम पिज्जा पराठा है.
यहाँ पिज्जा पराठा है. तो क्या कहते हैं उस एनवायरनमेंट में, लाइक दे लिटरली दे गोना बी लाइक, अगर आप आर्गुमेंट हमसे कर रहे हो ना और आप जीत रहे हो, like I'm winning, I know कि you are wrong and blah blah,
Right.
and they'll just start being like, वो तुम्हारी उम्र कितनी है?
Bro.
Have you fucking ever heard this? Like
Yeah.
this exact way ना, कि जब उनको कुछ समझ नहीं आती कि क्या कैसे हम इसको बोले, किस तरह हम समझाएं कि मैं तुमसे बड़ा हूँ और मेरी अथॉरिटी है और ब्ला 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 ब्ला, आई डोंट केयर, या जो भी है, या तुमने बस मतलब क्वेश्चन भी कैसे किया, तो वो इतना ईगो पे ले लेते हैं और कि एक ये छोटी सी बच्ची मुझे आगे बताएगी,
ये नहीं आजकल की बच्ची.
आजकल की बच्चे, हाँ, आजकल के बच्चे भाई, ओ
आजकल की ये हमें बताएंगे.
ये हमें बताएंगे. आप बोल रहे होते हो कि भाई नहीं करनी मैंने 12 घंटे की ज्यादा से ज्यादा शिफ्ट, इट आई एम अ फकिंग ह्यूमन बीइंग, एवरीबॉडी. और फिर मुझे ये भी तब चिढ़ती है कि सेट एनवायरनमेंट भी ऐसे होती है कि पीपल आर रियली टॉक्सिक. लाइक you have to see कि if we all together people in the industry decide कि हमने 12 घंटे से ज़्यादा काम नहीं करना, चाहे वो स्पॉट बॉय है, चाहे वो मेकअप है, चाहे वो कैमरा टीम है, चाहे वो आपका डायरेक्टर है, डीओपी, whoever the fuck they are, अगर आप कलेक्टिवली डिसाइड कर लो तो फिर नो वन कैन मेक यू डू एनीथिंग. और अगर आप कलेक्टिवली डिसाइड कर लो कि अगर आप 12 घंटे से ज़्यादा काम कराओगे तो हमें पैसे देंगे आप, so no one will be the asshole, no one will be the fucking diva, everyone will get fucking the rest they deserve.
yeah.
Because it's really hard working in this field. आप मतलब बहुत मुश्किल होता है. I have been on sets where like where the production is not giving fucking water.
Yeah, that part.
Because उनको है कि हम अपने पैसे बचा लें या whatever या जो भी है, ठीक है, like, और आप तो भी यार ये क्या कर रहे हैं? It's so inhumane at times.
And especially I think at जब हम सेट पे होते हैं तो one thing that I feel सबसे ज़्यादा कि जो production है उसमें all of them are guys, right?
Yeah.
The spot boy or
Okay.
the people who are servers and people who are at the lights or light वाले, और इनको मैंने देखा है कि अब क्या सीन है कि when you tell them something to, they're just not good at taking directions like that from a
Yeah.
woman. और अगर 2-3 लड़के खड़े होंगे कहीं पे, आपने उनको कुछ बोल दिया तो उनकी गलती भी नहीं, they would be just so awkward, they just don't know how to talk to a woman, and then you just feel that you don't belong here or what, you know, the
उनको
sense
सिर्फ
of
आदत होती है एक्ट्रेसेस के रोल में देखने की लड़कियों को, तो वो हो जाते हैं. लेकिन फिर भी मैंने देखे स्पॉट बॉयज फिर भी काफी रिस्पेक्टफुल होते हैं कि बिकॉज दे अगेन दे वर्क विद एक्ट्रेसेस, सो उनको आदत होती है कि अच्छा मैम को, मैम डेलिकेट होती
lights
हैं,
वाले और
ठीक
ये.
है, मैम जो भी हो डिपार्टमेंट की वो मैम है, ठीक है, मैम को तंग नहीं करेंगे हम, और मैम के लिए हम कुर्सी भी ले आएंगे और मैम का ख्याल भी करेंगे, मैम का सामान भी उठा देंगे.
True.
They are nice. It's the other head of departments, or it might be the director themselves, or it might be an actor, or it might be कुछ भी हो, कोई भी हो सकता है, वो रोल नहीं मैटर करता. बिकॉज और वही तो इतना सरप्राइजिंग भी आपको लगता है कि रोल मैटर नहीं करता और वो एकदम से आपको कोई आके इस तरह बकवास कर जाए और आप एक सेकंड, व्हेन डिड एवरीथिंग बिकम अबाउट मी बीइंग अ वुमन और हाउ ओल्ड आई एम, लाइक व्हाट द
Right.
फक. अभी आई वाज ऑन अ शूट अ व्हाइल बैक एंड इस पे यही हुआ कि भाई, और मैं नहीं किसी को ब्लेम कर रही, ठीक है, लेकिन व्हाट हैपेंड वाज कि द फूड रन आउट, द शूट वाज हैपनिंग आउटसाइड ऑफ द सिटी, and me and some other team members, we never got the food because we were working at that time, or when we kept asking for food they were not giving us food. और it's fine if it is run out, whatever, ठीक है, कोई सुबह अगले दिन सुबह 6 बजे तक शूट चल रहा है, तब जाके हमें कोई पता चल रहा है कि ये शिट है, तब तक तबीयतें खराब हो गई हैं, सब कुछ हो गया. And I called them out on it and I was like, what the fuck is this, like your actors are fuck, fine, fuck me, fuck the stylist, ठीक है, fuck everybody else, तुम्हारा एक्टर जिसने अभी परफॉर्म करना है बैठ के वो भूखा बैठा है पता नहीं कब का, like what is happening. And then वो वही वाली क्लासिक ना, वो बड़ा फनी था. It was really, I'll tell you, it was so funny, I'm sorry guys. So he's like, oh नहीं आप सही कह रही हैं, आप सही कह रही हैं, हाँ हाँ ये हुआ है, ये सारा कुछ. अब क्या बोलेगा, मैं गार्ड भी इतनी मैंने मार दी थी कि भाई मतलब, और बनता है भाई, मतलब ये इस तरह की बेसिक चीजें होती हैं. तो फिर कहता है अच्छा how old are you by the way? I was like
Oh my
Get the
god!
fuck
I'm
out
26.
here.
Girl!
And I was like, I'm 26. And he's like, oh, I'm 26 too. And I was like, oh, fuck.
Caught you in the
क्योंकि
action.
और उसकी बुन फट गई ना. Sorry. Beep कर देना, please. उसकी फट गई because he was like, oh shit, ये तो मुझसे छोटी नहीं है. What do I say to her now?
Oh my
And he's
god.
like, so how long have you been working? This was then his next. I was like, I've been working for 6 years. He's like, film scheme में मैंने कहा जी. He's like,
कहीं भी नहीं कर सकता डिग्रेड के 6 साल का एक्सपीरियंस भी है तुम्हारे पास
उसकी फट गई. उसको समझ ही नहीं आया कि अब मैं क्या इस बात करे बटल दूं. इसको
my
मैं ये
God.
छोटे वाले का भी ताना नहीं मार सकता.
Girl.
इसको इन्फैंटिलाइज भी नहीं कर सकता. इसकी बात भी सही है. हो भी गई है मुझसे यकी. So yeah.
और इसी से you know I want to talk how we're always told to be nice and love the men around us and don't get be like you know be the
Too,
comfortable
yeah.
space and be the nice one around और वो अब हमारी फ्रेशर फील्ड्स में भी रिफ्लेक्ट करता है कि how you
वो
know
बाहर जाके काम करके आते हैं, मेहनत मजदूरी करके
हाँ,
आते हैं. हमारा
तो-
काम है उनका मूड अच्छा
वो
रखना.
बिल्कुल ऐसे ही है हमारा that's our labor that's what we
Oh.
here to do
अच्छे अच्छे खाने बनाओ. तैयार श्यार
उल्टी आ रही है
होके
guys.
पियो.
Guys,
Ulti is real.
शॉपिंग पे जाओ.
get the fuck out of here
Cringe.
I
I
think,
think that's so.
yeah, we talked so much about womanhood and the problems and the beauty and everything. Is there anything that you guys have to add? बस रख दें ये सब अब बस हम खत्म 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 हो तो रख दें बस अब बताएं.
नहीं,
I'm
मैं तो वैसे
emotionally
ही
attached to
was
those
going by-
notes.
Oh, sorry.
I need them back.
Here. Sorry
Yeah.
guys, don't touch others' things without consent. That's your reality check. Sorry.
Guys, I think.
Yes or no?
Sorry?
Yes or no?
Yes or no to what?
Like the consent, girl.
Girl, take it.
No, you had
please take it.
you had to say no so they could learn what do you do when people
Wapas,
say
wapas, wapas, wapas. Take two, take two.
no. Yes or no?
No.
Oh, okay.
This is normal behavior.
That's all, folks.
That's all, folks.
That's all what you need to do. Okay. Oh wow, I love being a woman.
I think what's one of your best memories of being a woman?
So many. यही recently I think कि मैं आपको जिसको बता रही थी कि you know how I'm doing things in the hip hop community in Lahore. So I arranged a jam and it was like 30-40 guys and I was the only one who was organizing it and was emceeing the jam as well. Dance भी कर रही हूँ, rap भी कर रही हूँ और just basically everything. और तो उसमें and I was on the first day of my periods
Okay.
and I was just
Pain.
in so much pain and I did that jam and I did not think when I woke up I did not think that I can pull that off. Really, I woke up and I was like, I am not gonna do it. Can I cancel it? I cried for myself. I cried with myself for 15 minutes and then I was like, okay, I am gonna do it. Then I just went out and did it. And then I cried afterwards as well.
Yeah. That satisfaction. कि मैंने
yeah.
किया है, I did it.
Yeah, but that was just so beautiful that I was crying and I was just feeling so emotional. But it was in that moment, it was just really beautiful for me. Maybe not in that moment exactly, but when I thought about it, it was just so beautiful. I just felt that I love being a woman. I love feeling things so intensely. जिंदगी को मतलब इतना भरपूर तरीके से जीना, हर एहसास को अच्छे हर तरीके से महसूस करना, हर एहसास को हर तरीके से महसूस करना, खुश होना तो जान दे देना और अफसोस होना तो जान दे देना. ये जो फीलिंग है ना एक औरत होने की, that is just so beautiful and so pure कि मैं अगर जीऊंगी ना, if I choose to live a day, then I'm gonna do it to my max potential.
Yep.
And yeah, that's the beauty of being a woman. I think I love being emotional. I love crying. I love laughing. I love making silly jokes. I just love it. Yeah.
I think we've had a lot of girl moments
Yeah.
while getting ready together.
Yeah,
And
she
mind
did my
you,
hair, yeah.
yeah, Fazra did our hair, you guys. It's been so healing. I think
Yeah.
also just putting three random girls in a room together. I think
Yeah.
just opening up to each other like that and just
Seeing each other for who we are and giving the space.
yeah.
So that's really beautiful. That is
Please
womanhood.
watch
That
and
is
comment
womanhood.
and like and subscribe and do all of the things, guys. ताकि हमें तीसरे एपिसोड के लिए भी बुलाएंगे.
Excuse me, yes, guys, please, all the girlies out there, जिनके लिए हमने इतनी ज़्यादा बातें की हैं, if you want us back here, if you want your
Yes,
sisters
Thari's back here.
Thari's sissies back, then you need to spam them. Just be like,
गालियाँ भी दे दिए तो गालियाँ भी दे दो. कुछ तो होता है, engagement बढ़ाओ हमारी.
just make it hard.
Yeah. And if you are from any of our family, तो यार जाने दो तंग.
नहीं देखो.
हाँ यार.
हाँ, ना देखिए.
होता है
आपको
यार,
पता है
get
हमारे
over
कैसे
it.
opinions हैं. क्यों
You
फिर
know
आप
it. You know it that
अपनी
you have
दिलासारी
opinionated
क्यों
daughters.
करते हैं?
Yeah.
Fine.
Love you. Bye.
But what's your favorite memory of being a woman?
Wow. I have so many things coming to mind right now. Guys, I think being there for the people around me. Like, for example, my brother had really bad back pain, and we don't live in the same house. So I had come back from somewhere, I had a really, really, really long day, but I went over, I helped him, spray वगैरह किया, massage वगैरह किया, and girls, if your brothers have like a akada हुआ neck या फिर कुछ हुआ है, help them out. Like, it's completely fine. It's completely normal to be doing that. And the same with guys. I think we need to be there for our siblings. Like, sibling love,
Yeah.
y'all are never gonna get that kind of love ever. Your mom is gonna be your mom, your dad's gonna be your dad, your friends are gonna come and go. But that sibling is there through it all. Through it all. I'm so grateful. But yeah, I think that womanhood is being for me, womanhood is like being there for my friends. Us singing and dancing together before we
Yeah.
recorded this.
And
Father just looking so good all the time. First of all, every time I walk in, I'm like, girl, what the hell? Why do you look so crazy?
एक घंटा पहले आया करो तुम्हें पता है.
Insane.
You
Even
always look
without it. Skincare, her skin is mashallah. So great. Cut that
Genetics,
out.
guys. I'm a lazy motherfucker.
Mashallah.
Yeah.
So womanhood is being
Crying with my friends. I had a whole moment of guys. I like cried with my friends. I broke down in their arms. It was such a. I'm so grateful for everyone in my life, genuinely.
You.
And
So sorry to cut you off. Cut you off like Picasso. I'm so sorry.
no,
But so grateful for this moment here. Thank you.
guys, core memory. बन रहा है. Fadra, get in here.
Get in, girl.
Get in here. Get into this. यहाँ आ जाओ.
नहीं आ जाओ यार कर लेते हैं girl. Gotta do it like that. Yeah.
Guys.
Fast puske.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
This is
Or,
it.
Woo! Best sales. Tharis. I love us.
So, guys, this was Vulnerable Thoughts.
This was Vulnerable Thoughts.
This is us from Vulnerable Thoughts. These are our vulnerable thoughts. And now, these are your vulnerable thoughts.
Yep.
Yeah,
Oh
live
my
with
God.
them.
Live
Like
with
we
them.
have to.
Yeah. Keep them safe. Enjoy them.
Be real, be authentic, be
Yeah.
raw,
Be
be the
vulnerable.
rawest version of yourself. People will love you.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
people will love you being your raw,
Yeah.
most insane version. And the people who don't love you, they don't deserve to be in
They
your
do
lives.
not. You will find your people. You will find your girlies. You will find your people. You will find your tribe. Just be yourself. And
Don't be a cunt.
Don't be a cunt. Be cunty.
Be cunty though.
Don't be a
cunty.
cunt.
Don't be a cunt. Don't be a cunt. Bye bye. Mwah.